Guys, hope you're well. So today I'm at my sister's place and she's using the kitchen right now and I have no place to prepare what I'm about to make today. So I brought everything to her garden. So today I'm making spring roll. First of all, let's cut the carrots into matchsticks. Over here I have some ginger in matchsticks and some minced garlic as well. You will also be needing some bean sprouts, by the way. Now the great thing about making your own spring roll is that you can put any kind of filling you like. I once tried it with parsnips and it was surprisingly good. I learned how to wrap from my sister who used to work at Chinese takeaway. You need a full sheet and then cut it into half like what I did here, and this way it will prevent your spring roll from breaking when you deep fry them. Now I'm also applying some cornstarch that's mixed with water onto the ends of the spring roll. This is just to prevent the spring roll from breaking apart or opening up when we deep fry them. Now once you have all this spring roll wrapped up, it's time to deep fry them. Okay guys, let's tuck into my vegetarian spring roll. Okay, this is our sweet chili paste that I'm using over here today. I'm going to give it a good dip. Oh, can you hear my neighbor's dog? Oh, it's hot. Oops. Now guys, what I consider an amazing spring roll is a crispy outer layer and sort of like a crunchy filling in there from the vegetables. That's my perfect kind of spring roll. Now guys, if you or your friends are planning for a summer picnic in your garden, you might as well try this recipe out. And if you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments down below and I'll see you next time.